Imagine living in a town where a constant, low-frequency hum can be heard, but no one can explain where it's coming from. This is the reality for the residents of Taos, New Mexico, who have been hearing the unexplained sound known as the Taos Hum since the early 1990s. Despite numerous investigations, the source of the Taos Hum remains a mystery. Some theories suggest it could be caused by electromagnetic radiation, tectonic activity, or even extraterrestrial communication. The sound has been described as a low rumble, which can cause headaches, insomnia, and anxiety among those who hear it. Whether the Taos Hum is a natural phenomenon or something more mysterious, it remains a fascinating unsolved mystery. Bless you, leaving us to wonder what secrets the desert may hold.